Hello students, today we start a new example number 18 of chapter rate analysis, and in a 18 number example we discuss about white glaze tiles flooring of a size 150 mm by 150 mm. So here we calculate for a total quantity for a 10 meter square area. Now here two things are required, material cost and labor cost. Now let's we start a calculation of white glaze tiles flooring of a 150 mm by 150 mm size. Now consider 1 mm thick joint of either side of the tiles. So here number of glaze tiles is 150 mm is converted into meter, and number of tiles required for a 10 meter square area, so 10 divided by 150 mm is a 1 mm thick joint is required. So on both the side extra 2 mm is required as a both the sides, so we take a 152 mm. Clear? So 152 is converted into meter, so 152 by 152 mm is converted into meter. 0.152 multiplied by 0.152. So we got the answer 432.82 numbers of glaze tiles are required. Now round up figure we take 433 numbers of tiles are required to complete the 10 meter square area. Now let's we write here total number of glaze tiles required is 432 numbers, and as per the textbook rate per number glaze tiles rate is 15 rupees per number glaze tiles, and wastage of the tiles we take approximately wastage of the tiles we take a 5% wastage of the tiles. Clear? So here 6480 multiplied by 5%, so we got the answer 324. So here 324 is a 5% wastage of the tiles. Now we calculate the cement mortar. So cement mortar ratio is a 1:3, and 12 mm thick cement mortar is required. So here 0.12 meter cube cement mortar quantity is required, and per meter cube rate is 4000 rupees per meter cube rate. So here 0.12 meter cube total amount is 480 rupees. Now next is the cement slurry. So cement slurry required is 0.70 bag. So here we write a 0.70 bag, and then after rate per bag is 280 rupees. Clear? So cement amount is 196 rupees, and white cement required is 0.25 bag, and white cement rate is 1000 rupees per bag. So here amount is 250 rupees of a white cement, and we take extra cost 50 rupees as a sunrise. So now total amount 6480 plus 324 plus 480 plus 196 plus 250 plus 50. We got the final total answer for the material cost is 7780 rupees is a total answer. Now labor for fixing the tiles and filling the joints for a 10 meter square, because here we take a 10 meter square. So for a 10 meter square we calculate 10 meter square, 100 rupees per meter square rate is given in a textbook. Clear? So 100 rupees per meter square rate. So for a 10 meter square 1000 rupees is a labor cost of tiles fixing filling the joints. Now here total material cost plus labor cost is a summation of the 7780 means material cost, and total labor cost is 1000 rupees. So total cost is 8780 rupees, and we include the 1.5% water charges. So 8780 multiplied by 1.5% as the water charges, because water is required to complete the work. So total 131.7 is the water charges, and add a 10% contractor profit. So 8780 multiplied by 10%. So we got the answer 878 rupees is a contractor profit. Now summation of the 8780 plus 131.7 plus 878. So we got a total 10 meter square rate is a 9789.7 rupees. Now per meter square rate is a 9789.7 divided by 10. So we got the answer of the per meter square rate. Now here 978.97 is a pointed answer. So overall round figure is a 979 rupees is a per meter square rate of the white glazed tiles flooring of the size 150 mm by 150 mm tile size. Now we start another example number 19. So here 40 mm thick IPS means Indian pattern stone flooring. Ratio is given 1:2:4. So here we calculate for IPS. Here material required is a cement, sand, grit is required to complete the 10 meter square work. So first we calculate the total quantity of the cement, sand and grit is required. So here for a 40 mm thick Indian pattern stone flooring IPS 1:2:4, only grit is used as a coarse aggregate. Now summation of the 1:2:4 is a 1 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 7. Now weight volume of the concrete is we calculate for a 10 meter square. So 10 multiplied by 0.04 is a volume of the concrete 0.4 meter cube. Now increase by 52%. So here 0.04 we take 40 mm thick plaster, clear? 40 mm thick IPS. So here we take a 0.04 convert into meter. So we got the answer 0.4 meter cube. Now increase the 52% as a wastage and a change in volume. So total weight volume is 0.4 multiplied by 1.52. So we got the answer 0.608 meter cube. Now we start different material calculation. So first material is a grit. So grit is here as per the ratio 4 part is a grit. So grit is a 4 divided by 7 is a summation multiplied by 0.608. So 0.608 is a volume. So we got the grit in a meter cube, value is a 0.35 meter cube. Now we take a sand. Sand is a ratio is a 2 part of the sand. So 2 divided by 7 multiply by 0.608. So we got answer 0.174 meter cube. Now cement quantity 1 divided by 7 multiply by 0.608. So we got the answer 0.0868 meter cube. But here cement quantity we got in the form of the numbers of bag. So per bag volume is a 0.035. So 0.0868 divided by 0.035. So we got the answer 2.84 bag. So overall round up figure is a 3 bags is required to complete the 10 meter square IPS work of a ratio 1:2:4. Now here one knot is given add a 1 bag for finishing. So total 4 bag of cement is required, 3 as a material and 1 bag is required for a finishing work. So here total 4 bag of the cement is required. So we write here 4 bag is remained. Per bag rate is 280 rupees. Then after sand quantity we calculate 0.174. So write here 0.174 and per meter cube sand cost is 800 rupees. Grit we calculate 0.35 meter cube. So write here 0.35 and per meter cube grit value grit rate is 1000 rupees. And as the extra cost we take a sunrise 50 rupees. So summation of the total cement, sand and grit and extra cost summation of the all the values, we got the final answer 1006. Total summation is a 1120, 139.2, 350, 50 rupees is a summation is a 1659.2 rupees. And next we calculate labor cost. So labor for a mixing, placing, finishing and curing of the concrete. So here per meter square rate is 100 rupees per meter square. Now we calculate IPC for a 10 meter square. So write here 10. So per meter square rate is 100 rupees. So for a 10 meter square 1000 rupees. 10 multiplied by 100. So we got answer is 1000 rupees. So total labor cost is 1000. Now total summation of the material cost plus labor cost. So 1659.2 plus 1000. So we got the final answer 2659.2. Now add a 1.5% as a water charges. So water charges as a 2659.2 multiplied by 1.5% as a water charges, and we include the 10% contractor profit. So here 2659.2 multiplied by 10% as a contractor profit. So we got the answer 265.92 rupees. Now rate for a 10 meter square IPS work is the summation of the material cost plus labor cost is 2659.2, and 1.5% water charges is equal to 39.88, and the contractor profit is 265.92. So summation of the all these three values, we got the final answer 2965.008. So for a per 1 meter square rate is 2965.008 divided by 10. So we got the per meter square rate. So round up figure, we take a 297 rupees as a IPS for a 1 meter square area of a ratio 1:2:4. Now next we start another example number 20. So here in this example 25 mm thick DPC in a cement concrete of a ratio 1:2:4. So here DPC we calculate. So for a complete the DPC work, material required is a cement, sand, aggregate and waterproofing compound. So these four material are required, and labors is required. So this DPC is calculated for a 100 meter square area. So first we calculate the total material quantity is required. So weight volume of the concrete is 100. So we calculate for a 100 meter square. So we take 100. Then after 25 mm thick DPC. So 25 mm converted to meter, 0.025. So we got the answer 2.5 meter cube. Now dry volume of the concrete is equal to 2.5 multiplied by 52%, it means 1.52 is equal to 3.8 meter cube dry volume of concrete. Now ratio is a 1:2:4. So here 1:2:4, summation of the 1 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 7. Here 1 part of the cement, 2 part of the sand and 4 part of the aggregate. Now cement is equal for a cement calculation, cement is equal to 1 divided by 7. So here 1 we take because 1 part is a cement, multiply by 3.8. So 3.8 we take from the here. We got the answer 0.543 meter cube. Now here we got the answer in the form of the meter cube, but we required cement quantity, number of bag. Clear? So here total numbers of bag, calculate 0.0543 divided by 1 bag volume 0.035. So total answer we got 15.50 bags, means round up figure 16 bags are required to complete the work. Now sand calculation, 2 part of the sand divided by 7 multiplied by 3.8. So we got the answer 1.08 meter cube sand, and aggregate is 4 part of the aggregate divided by 7 multiplied by 3.8. So we got answer 2.16 meter cube. Now for a waterproofing compound, 3% cement weight is so 3 divided by 100 multiplied by 15.15 multiplied by 50. So we got the answer 23.25 kg. Means approximately we take a 25 kg waterproofing compound. Now we all these values we put here in a rate analysis sheet. So cement quantity is a 16 bag, per bag cement volume is a per bag cement rate is a 280 rupees. Sand quantity we have calculated 1.08 and per meter cube sand rate is a 800 rupees. Aggregate quantity 2.16, this value. Per meter cube rate is a 1000 rupees and waterproofing compound 25 kg and per kg rate of a waterproofing compound is a 50 rupees and we take extra cost as a 50 rupees. So total amount is a 4480, 864, 2160, 1250 and 50 is a summation is equal to 8804 rupees is a total material cost. Now we calculate the labor cost. So here labors required is a mason, male coolie, female coolie, bisti and centering and form work person. So here 8 mason is required, then after male coolie is required 5, female coolie is required 5 and bisti is required 2 and for a centering lump sum amount we take up 500 rupees as a lump sum amount. And extra cost we take 50 rupees. Now mason per day rate is 300 rupees, male coolie rate is 200 rupees per day, 180 rupees female coolies per day and bisti rate is 200 per day rate. Now summation of the 2400, 1900, 400, 500 and 50. So total answer is 5250. Now summation of the 8804 plus 5250, we got the final answer for a material plus labor cost is 14,054 rupees. Now add a 1.5% water charges. So here 14,054 rupees multiplied by 1.5%. So we got the answer is 210.81 rupees and add a 10% contractor profit. So here 14,054 multiplied by 10%, we got answer 1,405.4 rupees. For a 100 meter square, rate is the summation of the all these three values: material cost, labor cost, 1.5% water charges and contractor profit. So for a 100 meter square, rate is 15,670 rupees and 21 paisa, and rate for a 1 meter square is 15,670.21 divided by 10. So we got the answer 1,567 rupees 0.21 paisa. Now round up figure, we take a 1,567 rupees is a total per meter square rate of a 25 mm thick DPC cement concrete 1:4 ratio. Here we complete our rate analysis chapter, and all the example or the different types of the example is covered in this Excel sheet. Thank you.